Now, again. All right, now we're good. All right, so again, what I want to do is make sure that we are reviewing this material, see if it's exactly what you have. All right, if you have something different, just have to let me know. All right, and correct your mistakes, put a little star by something if you made a mistake so you know what to study. Number 1, 4 squared. Let's just go around the room. Carly.
16.
Perfect, 16. All right, 3 to the 4th. Thomas, did you have an answer for that?
Yeah.
What did you get? 81. Nice work. Does anybody have any question? All right, Avery. Okay, go ahead. Tell me. Okay, so let's look. Did you do this? 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, right? So what I want you to do now is I want you to go like this. 9 times 9.
Oh.
That's a good way to do that. All right.
Exactly.
Now, 7 to the 4th again. 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. So to me, it would have been easier just to do what? 49 times 49, right? Avery, did you get that? What did you get?
I think this is wrong, but I got
No, listen, just, it doesn't matter. We'll correct it.
2,361.
2,360, well, 9 times 9 is 49, so we know it has to end in a 9, right? Right, that's okay. What did you get?
I got 4,800.
4,800 what? Well, remember, it has to be, if we do 49, oh, no, I was wrong. I was thinking 7 times 7. I'm sorry. It does have to end in a 1, so you may be correct. All right, I'm not 100% sure. It just has to end in a 1. All right, what did you get?
2,401.
2,401. So I got 3 2,401s.
Oh
All
my
right,
God.
so let's do this now. Let's just go ahead and practice because it seems like we're coming up with different answers. Now, I personally think everybody should be able to get 49 times 49. So if you didn't get 49 times 49, that just means you made a careless mistake, you rushed. All right, so let's look carefully. 49 times 49. 9 times 9 is?
81.
Carry the 8. 9 times 4? 36 plus 4.
44.
I think it's 44. Is everybody happy so far?
Yeah.
4 times 9?
36.
36, right?
Yeah.
Carry the 3. 4 times 4 plus 3. 19. Is everybody happy with that?
Yeah.
So now 1, 0, carry the 1. 4, carry the 1. 2401.
I got my mistake.
Yes, ma'am.
How do you know if you do like the 7 times 7, 49 times 49, or if you just add it?
Well, we're not ever going to be adding when it's over power, okay?
Or when we get 49 times 49. Or like, oh wait. Hold on.
You sure?
Yeah, you did 49. I did 49 times 49, but then I just did 9 times 9 and then 9 times 4, and I got 441, and I forgot to do the other part.
Well,
And I just
be
went-
careful, right?
Yeah.
Be careful. All right. So number 4, let's talk about that. Did you get that? Go ahead.
Yeah. 1,200.
Now listen, here's what I want you to do here. But listen to me now. I want to share this because I think we should be better. This is 30 times 30 times 30, right? Now, again, we can do 3 times 3. What's that? Well, no, don't worry about the zeros. Don't worry about the zeros. Just let me help you with that. 3 times 3 is 9 times 3. That's your mistake. 9 times 3 is...
Oh, 27.
There you go. Don't worry. 27. Now you count the zeros. 1, 2, 3. So it'd be 1, 2, 3. 27,000. 27,000. Give yourself a check if you got it right. Just put a little star by it and make sure you go back and review. All right. Now, who can tell me what 10 to the 6th was? Bradley, did you remember how to do this one? What did you get?
I got 1 million.
1 million, right? Because again, anytime you're doing the powers, you just keep it a 1, and then you add that many zeros.
Oh,
Remember that? So it would be with 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you have it.
I was doing the whole time. I thought you kept the 1 0.
Yeah, I did too, and then I did 10 million.
No, you don't. Now you know. Okay, it's a 1 with the number of zeros. All right? Oh, you got it. 15 to the first. What's that? 15. Nice.
Do you only do that if it's the 0 if it's a 6, or you do it?
No, you only that rule only applies when it's a 10.
Oh, okay.
You with me?
Yeah.
All right. So let's look at 40 squared. 40 squared. What did you get?
40 squared, I got 1600.
You're awesome, buddy. 1600. All right. Anything to the 0 power today is?
0. The number that it is? Like this
No.
Like 1.
1.
Oh, yeah.
Anything to the 0 power is 1. Nice work. Anything to the 0 power is 1. Now that's going to be on the test for sure, so you don't want to be confused. All right? Let's continue on. All right, now these should be pretty easy for you also. Thomas, are you with me? Come on, buddy. Keep going. Okay. Why don't you tell me number 9? How do I write that? Do you remember?
Yeah, you do the 2, and then what makes it to get to 8?
Well, write each number using an exponent. Oh, so this is the base, this is the exponent. So honestly, they just want you to write 2 to the 8.
Oh, I got it.
Wow.
That's all. They just want you to write
So I was right. I did all that work and I was
each
right.
number. Hold on a minute. I could be wrong.
No.
Let me see. I think.
Is it that it was-
Yeah, no, I'm wrong on that. I'm wrong. In the book we had to do that. In the book we just wrote the base and the exponent. But in this case, don't erase anything because you guys were right. I misread the question. 2 to what power is 8?
196.
Nope. 2 to what power is 8?
4.
2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2, 4, 8, 16. 2 to the, watch me.
3.
Nice. 3. 3, that was good. All right. 2, 4, 8. Is everybody with me on that?
Oh,
Right. Now, I don't want to confuse you. Does everybody see my mistake when I read that, right? So it's asking you 2 to what power is 8? So that would be 2 to the what? 3rd. All right? So on the next problem, what's the base? On number 10,
How is that?
4.
4 is the
It's
base.
not 2 to the.
So confused.
No. Listen, you guys. I'm sorry you're confused. I misread the question. So now just listen to my explanation on number 10, and I think you'll be fine. All right? So on number 10, what's the base? 4. 4 is the base. They're asking you 4 to what power is 64? So 4 times 4 is.
32.
Wait a minute. No. 16 times 4 isn't 32. 16 times 4 is what?
64.
64. You with me now?
Oh.
So it's to the 3rd power. All right, it's to the 3rd power because 4 times 4 times 4 is 64.
But what's to the 3rd? 4?
Yeah, the base.
Oh, so 64 is like the answer.
That's correct. There you go. You got it. Good job. Now I think you're hearing me. All right, what's the base for number 11? Go ahead.
20.
20. So you're trying to find 20 to what power is 400?
20 to the
So if you're not sure, you just go 20 times 20. What's 20 times 20?
400.
So the answer is?
20 to the power of 3.
So if you said 20 times 20, that isn't 20 to the 20, that's 20 to the, yes. You with me now? So the answer is 2. A little better?
Is this going to be on a test?
Of course, everything here is. All right, Thomas, you with me? Right? You with me? All right, what's the base on number 12?
7.
Right? So now I have to figure out 7 to what power is 343, right? So what's 7 times 7?
49.
Right, is that so? Is 2 the answer?
No.
Nope. So now I have to go 49 times 7. Somebody tell me what 49 times 7 is. 343. So is that what we're looking for? So how many 7s did I have to use to get 343? That's exactly right. 7 to the third power is 343. Thomas, are you okay with this, buddy?
Yeah.
All right. Now, Gavin, let's look at 13.
Okay, 10 to the third power
Is
is add 3 zeros.
right, so it's going to be 4 times
4
1,000,
times
right?
1,000, which equals 4,000.
Perfect.
You have to put 4 times the power of 2 to put
I would say that's what I'm trying to explain right now. You just move the decimal, or you just add how many 3
So we
zeros,
just
right?
put the answer.
So it's 4 with 3 zeros. Like on this one right here. Right, so it's literally just 24 with 1 0, right? So that'd be 240.
Oh, this is gonna be.
So what's the next one?
The next one is 18 with 40. Wait, 180 with
180 with how many?
3.
How many zeros do they say right here?
4.
So you add another 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, but is that you said when it was on the other page? I thought you said you would, since it's just that, you would like just worry about the number, not the zero.
Yes, that's exactly what I was going to say. You were thinking about if it was 1.8. Very good. That's exactly right, Carl. Do you understand that now? All right. So now for this one, what is it?
I actually have a question.
Good.
Will we have any besides the number being 10? Like,
No, you're right. No, exactly, because that's what they're trying to show you, the rule for tens.
Okay.
All right. It's kind of leading into scientific notation.
Wait, when you're just multiplying, you keep the first zero?
Yeah, because it's not, the decimal's not here.
Okay. Wait, no, but for 10 to the power of 4?
I added 4 zeros. That's what we're doing,
Oh, yeah.
right?
Yeah, but only 4, right?
But there was just so happened to be one of them.
Yeah, no, but that's what I meant. Yeah.
Okay, so let's do 16. Avery, tell me about 16. What do you think?
200 million.
So it would be a 200 with how many zeros? 5. So we just count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what I got. You see that?
Oh, I did 2 and then.
You good now?
Yeah.
All right, 20 million. Yes. Ooh, what is 17? Yeah, it is 354. Very good. Because the 0 means no zeros. All right, good.
Oh, yeah.
All right, now, this is the one that you were thinking about. Everybody look at 18. So try to tell me what the answer is.
Okay. So 3. So,
Well, why don't you just tell me how to do the problem?
so you put 39.
39. Now, here, how many places do I have to move the decimal to start off?
So you only put 2?
Yes, exactly. I have to move the decimal 3 places. So I only need 2 zeros.
That's what I
Yeah, that's what you're thinking of. Are you okay with that or not? Right again.
I don't
You're at
know why.
3.9. You have to move it 3 decimals. 1, 2, 3. So that means you only have to add 2
So we
zeros.
don't need to put the decimal afterwards.
Well, you can, but it's not necessary. All right, you can, but it's not necessary. All right, here we go. Write each number in scientific notation. We did this yesterday. Do you remember how this was?
Yeah, so is it 5
Beautiful. 5.6.
times 10 to the power of 3?
Well, it's right here, right?
Oh, yeah, so 10 to the power of 4.
10 to the power of 4. Good. Gavin, you can do number 20. What would it be?
1.25
Uh-huh.
to the power 10 times 10 to the power of 3.
You're awesome. Good. Thomas, good for you, buddy. Just a
I
minute.
just have a question.
Okay, on which one?
I don't, how do you know where to put that?
Well, because the decimal is always after the first number.
Oh, okay.
You with me? So, like on 21, what number would you write down first, Thomas?
Two,
Yes.
so it's 2.5.
Perfect.
2.5 times 10 is the power of 4.
You're awesome. See how easy that is? That was easy. 22.
54.2 times 10 to the power of 2. So that would be 54 times 2 times 100.
Yeah. So how many places do I have to move the decimal?
So 1 place to the 2 places.
Right. So if I move it, you're going to have how many, add how many zeros?
2.
No.
Oh, 1.
1, 2.
Why wouldn't the decimal though be?
Well, because sometimes they just write the number, right? They're trying to make sure you understand. You're moving the decimal. Carly, what? Yeah, well, let me see. All right, is everybody okay with that now? You should really double check yourself on
10
this.
to the power of 2.
10 squared, or 10 to the power of 2, means you move the decimal 2 places. You with me? When you move it 2 places, right? 1, 2, you got to add a 0. Okay? All right, Carly. 23.
So you do 12 times 2, which is 24.
Good.
25 plus 24.
You're awesome, girl. 99. Good for you.
Okay, number 24. Or did you call?
Yep.
Okay. So first you do 25 divided by 5, which is 5. Then you do 100 minus 5, which is 95.
That's great.
Kind of-
Yep, Bradley, you're up.
Okay. So
What do I have to do first?
3 times 3 because the exponent
Right.
would be 9. So 3 times 5,
Good job.
and then 3 times 5 is 15.
And then what?
Minus 45 would be
Wait a minute. What do I have to do
oh
now?
yeah. So 45 divided by 9 would be 5,
Good job.
and then 5 minus
You're awesome, buddy. Good job.
10.
Good job. Thomas?
What?
What? Go on.
Can you go over one more time when you do like the parentheses and you do like the times 5 because it's 9, right? Is it 9?
Are you saying you want me to tell you how to do this?
Like that's the first part. It's the 3, is it 3.5 or 3 times?
3 times 5, girl.
Okay.
Sorry. Yes.
Okay. Because I thought you said 9.
3 times 5. Good now? Sorry. Thomas, did you have another question? All right, so yes, you got number 27. Thomas, you got 26. Go.
So you do parentheses first. So 8 plus 4 is 12,
Awesome.
and then you do multiply.
Good.
So 12 times 10 is 120.
You're awesome, buddy.
And then division. So
Now look up on the board because I want to show you how to do division quickly. Eyes up, eyes up. 120 divided by 5. So how many times does 5 go into 12, Thomas?
goes into 2 times
Right, with how many left over?
2.
So I put a 2 in the corner. So now that shows you 5 goes into 20. 5 goes into 20 how many times? How many?
4.
4 times. Perfect. So the answer is 24. I like that.
I just did
Oh my God.
how long it takes to
5 to get to 100.
That's right. There you go. So nice job.
I knew 100, like, 20 times 500, so
New.
then I 5 times 4.
That's another great way of doing it. All right, here we go. You're up, Jack.
Oh, it was 120, right? I was still thinking.
Oh, that's right. 120 divided by 5 is 24.
It was 24.
Yes. You good?
Yeah.
All right, tell me about 27. What would I do on that?
Okay, so you do the parentheses first. 9 times 2 is 18.
Good.
And 18 minus 13 is 5.
Good.
And then 5 times 2 is...
Wait a minute. Not 5 times 2,
I mean 5 times 5
which
is
is
25.
good job.
And then 25 divided by 5 is 5. And then 5 plus 3 is 8.
Perfect. Perfect. You working hard? All right, Gavin, tell me about 28.
Okay, so 9 minus 6 equals 3.
Good.
And then 2 to the power of 3 equals 16.
Come on, stay with me. 2.
2, 4, 8. Oh,
There you go.
yeah, 8.
All
Okay,
right, so
that
put
was
that in.
sad. Okay, so then, okay, 8, 50 plus 8 equals 58. And then what do you do?
Minus 3, right?
Oh, minus 3, which equals 55.
Yeah, perfect. That's it. All right, let's do a tricky one. 29. Thank you. Good job. Tell me about 29. What do I do first?
You go to the multiplication.
Good job. What's 6 times 9?
6 times 9 is 64.
Wait a minute.
54.
That's right. Don't worry about it.
And then you divide it by 3.
Right? What's that?
Um,
Now look up here. Look up on the board now. How many times is 3 going to 5?
1,
With how many left over?
1, I mean 2.
2. 3 goes into 24.
7, 8 times.
There you go, buddy. Good with that? Now what?
21 minus
Is
18 is 3.
and then
Plus
Wait, what did you do?
plus 10. I mean, 10 divided by 5 is 2.
yeah. See, it's okay.
So plus 2 equals 5.
There you go. All right. What?
I was confused because when you did that, you put a 2 up there, but you put a 1 there. In the 18, you put a 1 instead of
Right. So here's the shortcut to that. Watch me. 3 goes into 5 how many times? That's why there's a 1.
Then why
1
do you
times
put
3 is
You put a
3.
2 up there.
Oh, because 5 minus 3 is 2.
Plus 5 minus 3 is 2. So now the number is 24, right? Which is what that is.
So it's like kind of a shortcut.
It's really good shortcut. Division should be done that way. Yes. Yes, you can. What's the matter? You got it. Yes.
Actually,
You got it? All right. All right, let's go. 30.
so it's 35
Yeah, that was nice. 35 divided by 5 is 7. What's the matter, Bradley?
so, oh, I get it now.
Right?
Can't
So
you just
this-
for a shortcut for division just times it? And then,
Oh, I get it.
like say like for that one, 7 times 5 is 35.
Well, yeah, but, you know. Hold on.
8 divided by 48.
Wait a minute. You're correct, but you didn't say it correctly.
48.
Yeah, you say the top first. 48 divided by 8 is what again?
6.
Yes. All right, 32.
7.
How did you get that?
I did 1 to the power of 5, which is 1.
Very good
And
job,
then 6
girl.
times 1 is 1.
Good job.
6. And then 6 is 6.
Very nice. Very, very nice. Aiden, you got 33.
8 times 8 is 72.
Wait a minute, 8 times 8 today is 64, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it is.
That's all right.
64 is 2 times 10 is 20. And 20 minus 64 is 44.
Yes, good. 44. All right, 34. Go.
Okay, so we're going to divide. Okay, first, so 8 is 4 and 56. So
Okay.
first, 36
Good.
divided by 4, which
Is?
is
It's okay, don't worry. Just take your time.
oh, is it 9?
Mhm.
I forgot
It's
that.
all right. It's all right. Don't worry about it.
Sorry.
That
And then you
happens.
have to do 56 divided by 7,
Which is?
8.
There you go, buddy.
And you have to do 9 plus 8, which is 17.
That's awesome. Very, very good. All right. The last one, Bradley's the big one.
So
What do we got?
2,
Now, all I'm doing right now is just replacing them, right? Right. Perfect. Perfect.
16 times 2,
You're awesome, buddy. Now what?
32,
No, 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 no. That's right. Right. What's 5 times 10? 5 times 6? 30. 50 plus 30? Yes, sir. Good. All right. Now, wait a minute. Do the last part. 7 times 2 divided by 2. What's that? And then 14 divided by 2? Yes. How's that? All right. So now continue. 32 plus 80 is what? Good. You're awesome, buddy. 105. Is that good? All right, that's everything. All right, now I'm going to stop the video real quick because I want you to be able tonight to review if you need it.